Hello, today we present you the software solutions OmniWin and OmniFab. We show you the typical fields of application of the software and want to discuss a typical customer case. We have received an important order from a customer. The customer wants to have this component manufactured. Now we face the first challenge. What costs do we have to estimate for this component? How do we have to calculate? The Sales Quotes software helps us with this. OmniFab Sales Quotes optimizes your calculation and your quotation, and helps you to get the offer very quickly. We now want to show this component in the software. To do this, we very simply create a quotation and add the component as a quotation item. This component is needed 50 times and we want to manufacture it with a plasma cutting machine. In addition, this component is also drilled and we have to pay attention to countersink holes. As we can see, Sales Quotes not only calculates the relevant geometric data in a few seconds, but also records the production data and gives you a complete component calculation that you can include in your quotation. Due to the transparent data presentation, we are shown very quickly how the cost drivers and items are composed. With this offer, we have the opportunity to generate a report in a few seconds and make it available to our customers. Now it's time to wait. Does the customer accept? Does he accept the offer, or does he go to a competitor? Since we were able to make a very competitive offer with Sales Quotes, we were awarded the contract. That means now the next step is to transfer the whole thing to work preparation and provide colleagues with the relevant data quickly, digitally and transparently. Yes, we are now in the area of work preparation. We now have the opportunity to prepare components for production and make them machine ready. With the help of the seamless integration into OmniFab, we can immediately transfer all the information into the nesting. For example, order data, delivery data, customer information. All information is transferred one-to-one directly to the software, error-free and immediately in real time. In OmniWin, we can look at the component and prepare the geometry accordingly, apply the geometry to a nesting plan. This can also be done very quickly in just a few steps with the help of the corresponding auto-nesting mechanisms. With just a few clicks, the nesting plan is ready and we can now generate the production data here immediately with just a few clicks. After rechecking by the work preparation department, we now have all the information ready and can monitor process safety. After this has been done, we release the production data for production planning with just a few clicks. So our work preparation did an excellent job and provided the nesting plan. We are now in production planning. Our task is to distribute appropriate cutting jobs on the machines and to make intelligent planning. With the help of the OmniFab job management module, we have the opportunity to achieve really good machine utilization and distribute jobs to machines in a targeted manner. The job management module gives us an accurate live overview of all cutting jobs and their status. Here I can see not only all new jobs, but also all jobs that have already been manufactured or that are on a machine. Let's take a look at the work order to be produced. Our digital cutting job in the form of a digital job card, no more papers, everything paperless, can be found here with all the relevant information that is important in the field of production planning. You don't just see the production time. You also get an overview of the components, the nesting plan, and can schedule it on the machine. Now let's go into job planning and see which machine is free. After we were able to look at our work list in the job management module, we are now one step further and wanted to assign this job to a specific machine. Of course, it is crucial to know whether we still have enough time available on the machine in the corresponding shift. As we can see, our machine, which runs in 2 shifts, has already assigned some jobs in the early shift. We have 1 hour and 24 minutes left as remaining production time in the shift. This will not be enough to assign our job, which was calculated to take 4 hours and 45 minutes, to this shift. But we just try to assign this job to the machine and we automatically see that the job is assigned to the correct shift, namely in the late shift. Perfect, everything is ready for production. Let's go into production and start the job. The component is immediately transferred to the machine with all job information and is cut.